Hello, students of class 10th. I am Miss Amber Chauhan and I am here with your 6th English literature lesson. I hope all of you must have visited many interesting and exciting places with your family and friends like seaside, farmhouse, and many more. But the visit we are going to discuss today is about an agricultural farm. Our today's topic and the name of the lesson is A Visit. Mr. Ahmed, the class teacher, had planned an outing for his students. For this reason, he had arranged a visit to the model agricultural farm. The boys were naturally excited. Mr. Ahmed arranged this visit with Mr. Hassan, the manager of the model agricultural farm. When Mr. Ahmed, along with the boys, reached the farm, they were warmly welcomed by Mr. Hassan. The boys had no idea that an agricultural farm could be so large and exciting. They saw that all the work on the model agricultural farm was done with the help of modern machinery. The model agricultural farm has adopted all the modern methods of farming. Now, the work of 100 people can be done by a single person with the help of modern machinery like tractor, seed sowing machine, etc., which saves both time and energy. As it was the wheat harvesting season, the visitors saw a huge machine called the combine working in the vast wheat fields. It cut the crop and tied it into sheaves, which means bundles. With one sweep, it seems to eat up a large area of the golden crop, which came out tied into bundles at the other end. Then the wheat went into a machine called thresher, which separated the grain from the chaff. From one end of the machine fell a golden rain of sweet smelling wheat, while chaff flew out at the other. The students watched the working of the machine with keen interest. The boys were told that there is a huge difference between the grain output of the model agricultural farm and an ordinary agricultural farm. While an average farm produces 15 to 20 quintals of wheat per hectare, the model agricultural farm produces as much as 60 to 70 quintals of wheat per hectare. The meaning of the word quintal means 100 kilograms of wheat, and the meaning of the word hectare means 100 square kilometers of an area. Mr. Hassan further told the boys that first the tractor plows the field deep, then the sowing machine sows seeds very fast so that no seed goes waste. Chemical fertilizers are used to enrich the soil. Canal water and tube well supply water throughout the year for irrigation. The boys were astonished to know that, besides wheat, they also produce maize, cotton, sugarcane, and gram. They also produce different vegetables, some of which were growing out of season. Later, the boys were taken to the orange and mango orchard where they were delighted to see green fruit hanging from the branches. The trunks of the trees were whitewashed with lime, as it protects the trees from various kinds of pests and diseases. Mr. Ahmed and the boys were tired, but still they were very excited. They eagerly accepted the invitation of revisiting the farm when it would start its own dairy, where they would milk the cows and buffaloes with electric milkers. They were also planning to produce dairy products like butter, cream, and preserve the milk. One of the boys, named Bilal, said that if every agricultural farm in Pakistan could become like the model agricultural farm, then our country would progress immensely and we would be able to meet the needs of the ever growing population of our country. Let's review the lesson. In today's lesson, we have discussed about a visit to the model agricultural farm, how all the work is done with the help of modern machinery on the model agricultural farm. Due to the use of the modern methods of farming, there is a difference in the output of an ordinary agricultural farm to that of the model agricultural farm. The students were surprised to see that an agricultural farm could be so large and interesting. Our country's economy can boost if every agricultural farm could become like the model agricultural farm. Students, I hope that you have understood the lesson quite clearly. Now we have come to the homework assignment of the lesson, which comprises of reference to the context. The reference which is taken from the book is, "This is wonderful, but surely machines do not make the grain." There are questions given below which you have to answer in your own words, which are: number 1, name the lesson, the speaker, and the addressee. Number 2, where did Mr. Ahmed and the students go for a visit? Number 3, what is the function of the combine? And number 4, describe the model agricultural farm in 3 to 4 sentences of your own. We have now come to the end of our lecture. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet again. Till then, take care and goodbye.